You've seen it happen. A potential customer discovers your amazing product on a blog or social media. But the path to purchase is a dead end. Let's fix that by embedding a Shopify Buy button directly where they find you. First, from your Shopify admin, head to the Sales Channels section and click on the Buy button. If you don't see it, you might need to add it from the Sales Channel list. Now click Create Buy button and choose whether you want to feature a single product or a collection. For this tutorial, we'll select a product. This is where the magic happens. Customize your button's look and feel. Choose a button or cart style. Adjust colors to match your brand, and decide which product details like the title, price, and description are visible. For a truly frictionless experience, enable the option for customers to check out directly from the cart. This reduces clicks and captures those impulse buys. Then, click Next. Shopify generates the code for you. All you need to do is click in this box to select the code, and then copy it. You don't need to write or understand a single line. Finally, paste this code anywhere. You can add HTML like a blog post, a website builder's custom HTML block, or even an email. Publish it, and you've just created a seamless buying experience anywhere on the web.